guys, my Allure Beauty Box. This is so late getting this upload going. I have tons of stuff here to upload that's just been sitting around. So I believe this is March of 2023, which would be my last box. I did get a fantastic deal, 3 boxes for $55, but I did cancel, so I won't have any more boxes coming. And I believe everyone always has the same product, so you've probably seen these before, but let's go ahead and see what I received. Now, this first product looks like a sample size. This is a Belif Aqua Bomb Overnight Lip Mask. It says that it's made with botanical Centella asiatica, which soothes and hydrates lips like no other, and moisturizing shea butter. The full size does retail for $22, and it is sold at Sephora.com. Definitely something I need. I just have tons of them, so which one do I start on, right? So the next is a mascara, which those of you who know from me from watching the videos know that I'm allergic to everything, and I wouldn't be able to use this unless it says hypoallergenic on it, and I don't wear mascara very often. Anyway, this is a Tarte Cosmetic. It is in the shade of black, and it's lifting, volumizing, and curling. This is one of Allure's Beauty Box award-winning mascaras. This is my full-size product in the box. It has a retail of $25. It's called the Man-Eater. It says it has a flexible wand tip and that it will glide on like a dream. All right, so the next. Okay, so let's see what this Mud Sky is. Okay, so Mud Sky. This is a vitamin-infused eye serum. Okay, that's a good size, so that's definitely a full size there. So there's 2 full size. And it has vitamins C, A, B, K, D, F, and E to nourish the skin. 2 of our favorite on that list, E, will hydrate and soothe, and then C for antioxidant, help to boost the delicate age area. And it has a retail of $63. All right, so the next is definitely a little sample. This is a Cetaphil Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel. And it is lightweight enough so that it's even on the muggy, days, you can put this on your face, and it definitely will not clog your pores. The full size does retail $27.99 at Cetaphil.com, and it is packed with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. It soothes the skin and hydrates the heck out of it. Sounds like this would be perfect after being out in the sun, maybe in the summer, to have this with you and go, you can moisturize your skin if you need to with that. So nice little sample. Okay, so let's see what's next. Okay, so this one looks like a sample as well. It's a good size though. This is Dionis Goat Milk Skincare Hand and Body Goat Milk Cream. Oh, that sounds really nice. This is a moisturizing treatment for dry, thirsty hands and body. It says it's milk and honey, which delivers deep hydration with a nice milky scent and the honey straight from the comb. This does have a retail of $12 in the full size. It also says that it's a non-greasy formula and a warm scent. So this would be really nice to take along in the purse. Okay, so the next definitely looks like another sample. This is the brand Cotz. It's a flawless complexion SPF 50 tinted. Too bad this one isn't full size. A full size of this does run $27.50. It is a mineral facial sunscreen. It has a subtle little tint, and the star ingredient is zinc oxide. It is a dermatologist's favorite for protecting skin. So again, this would be perfect just to suddenly, to have with you, and you can pull it out and go, hey, I have something I can put on my face while I'm sitting here watching the game or whatever I'm doing, right? And you're out in the hot sun. I do have so many extra samples though, so we'll see. If I don't think I can use it, then it'll end up in a giveaway, right? So let's see what this oil is. Mielle is the brand. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. It says this little bottle is a TikTok star. Full size has a retail value of $10. And you just massage a few drops into your scalp. And you run what's left on your hands over the ends of your hair to hide split ends. So it has the rosemary oil, which support botanical can help grow hair. And it has some castor oil, coconut oil to help moisturize dry scalp and soothe split ends. So I guess it's something you could try at night and see if it's helping, and then wash it out in the day. I'm not sure. Sounds like it might make your hair look dirty. I'm not sure. So I put the discount codes across each product as I talked about each product. And that way, if you are interested in checking out the products, you do get a little bit of discount when you shop for it. But that was my Allure Beauty Box for the month of March 2023. That's my last box. Any other discount codes or anything that I find, I will go ahead and I will put in the description if anyone's interested in checking out Allure. And again, it was just the $55 for 3 months. It wasn't a bad deal, but this is the reason that I, don't want to continue it is because it's these little tiny samples, and I just don't get use out of those little tiny samples. I really don't. Although a few of them I may take in my purse and hopefully get to use. And then some people do enjoy the fact that you get to try a product, and if you like it, and then you go ahead and you can pay the full price. But anyway, what do you guys think? What do you think of the Allure Beauty Box? Let me know in your comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.